When you import a recipe or create an original recipe in Prepear, you might notice that some or all of the ingredients on the editing screen have a little blue check mark or a gray question mark beside them. What's up with that? Here's what. These symbols are part of our ingredient matching system. Ingredient matching makes it possible for Prepear to do cool things with your recipes, like calculate nutrition data and organize your grocery lists by category. When an ingredient appears with a blue check mark next to it, that means the ingredient is verified. In other words, Prepear recognizes it. So, blue checks are good. But what about gray question marks? These are unverified ingredients, and there are a few different ways you can deal with them. First, you can save a recipe with unverified ingredients. You'll be able to cook from it just fine. Be aware we can't calculate nutrition data or properly categorize your grocery lists when unverified ingredients are present. Your second option is to send the unverified ingredient to our review team. Just tap the Send button at the bottom of the recipe edit screen. Finally, it's often possible to edit the name of an unverified ingredient just slightly. Then, select a verified ingredient from the drop-down menu that appears while you type. If you can do this for your recipes, go for it. It's the best option because it immediately makes your recipe more useful to yourself and others.